I'm Doug Massey, and back when I was selling life insurance and final expense insurance on a face-to-face basis, I actually was one of the highest producing insurance agents in the country. For example, in 2014, I was the #1 producing final expense agent for 5-Star Life Insurance Company. 2015, 2016, and 2017, yes, 3 years in a row, I was the #1 agent for Security National Life. Meanwhile, I was actually writing about half of my business with multiple carriers. Today I'm going to show you the easiest way to sell life insurance. We're going to talk about the right carriers, the right leads, having the right sales system, and how to get a lot of potential buyers to actually reach out to you and even set an appointment with you about buying affordable life insurance. But first, please give this video a like, and we suggest that you subscribe if you're new. We're putting out new insurance sales content and final expense sales training videos like every week. Face-to-face versus remote sales / telesales. Now, forget about face-to-face sales, guys. Well, hold on. Let's just say if you're not an experienced producer with an existing platform for getting you in front of a lot of potential buyers, then trust me, guys, it's not even worth it to waste your time and energy on face-to-face sales. Oh, and before I explain, if you stick around until the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to get our free final expense remote sales presentation script along with the telesales objections and rebuttals cheat sheet. Now, you're going to be able to make competent presentations and even start your process of dealing with objections while selling life insurance over the phone. Face-to-face sales is limited, and the return on investment is nothing like what it used to be back when I was producing. Your typical face-to-face final expense agent is busting their hump to make like $60,000 a year, guys. I mean, there's a lot of hype and exaggerated facts, but the bottom line is the better remote and or telesales agents are actually earning like $150K to over $200,000 per year. So let's say that you've decided to sell final expense or life insurance remotely, which again is the easiest way to sell life insurance. Let's talk carriers and leads. You're either going to need to find an agency who has one product, for example, like Senior Life Insurance Company of Georgia or like Lincoln Heritage, or you have to find an agency with multiple products that pay higher commissions, and so that, you know, the idea of having all the carriers, now you're able to give more first day coverage to people with multiple health issues, and in most cases give more competitive products. For example, at my agency, we contract our agents with like 12 carriers to start with. Easy there, guys. Yeah, it sounds like a lot, but what we do is we teach them how to pick 3 main carriers and basically write most of their business with those 3 carriers. And once they're comfortable writing additional products, they already have those carriers in their bag ready to go, and now they can do that. 4 of my favorite main carriers are American Amicable, Royal Neighbors of America, SBLI, Savings Bank Life Insurance Company, their Living Legacy product, and the new Citizens Sika Superior Choice. Between these 4 carriers, you're going to be able to insure anybody between 0 and 85 years old. And I also like to have like Great Western and AIG in the bag as alternates for guaranteed issue. As far as leads are concerned, to me, this is where you want to have a platform that you can just plug into and boom, you got a lot of fresh exclusive leads every day. TV commercial leads are the best for remote sales, but they're also a lot more expensive than any other leads out there. And if you're actually not a talented closer, you know, a real true sales professional, the return on investment probably won't be there for you with the TV leads. And the thing is, they generally cost like $50 to over $70 per lead. The second best lead is the calendar appointment lead, where the client sees an ad online about buying affordable life insurance and they fill in a little form. Then they have the option to set an appointment with you on your calendar. This is actually the system that we use and are able to generate appointments for our agents for like 1/3 of the cost, actually even less in most cases, than those TV leads. Then you have what I like to refer to as bottom tier leads. Facebook, internet leads, telemarketed leads, and even those telemarketed live transfer leads fit this category. These type of leads are either super hard to get on the phone, or they actually expect something for free, or in many cases, like with the live transfers, the prospects were cold called out of the blue and really have zero interest in buying the insurance. Now, if you're really good with technology, you might consider investing in one of those leads funnels or Facebook ads systems. For anywhere from like $3,000 to $10,000, you can find somebody to set this up for you and actually teach you how to use it. Now, like I said, you gotta be good with technology. You can generate your own internet leads and or even appointments if you're really good. Now, let's step back just a little bit and say that maybe you're a complete novice to insurance sales and the insurance industry. You know, whether you can sell or not, you're a professional or not, you're probably in need of training, but you really wanna try to do this on your own. Guys, the chances of you succeeding at remote life insurance sales without advanced training is pretty much non-existent. Let me just get that out of the way right now. Forget about it. I teach our agents a system where we expect to get multiple objections from everyone that we sell. So now the agent actually has an answer to said objection and considers this simply part of the application process. We also use the Insurance Toolkit's quoting and underwriting software so that it makes it easier for us to be able to pick the best insurance product based on the client's health and the form of payment that they're going to be using, you know, how they get their Social Security benefits. At the end of the day, if you're brand new to the industry and or aren't 100% committed to your business, or you know, maybe you're just not sure if this is really what you're ready to commit to 100%, my suggestion is to get with a company like Lincoln Heritage or Senior Life, as they, one, have their actual own product. So it's one carrier, one product, easy to learn, and two, can generate leads for you on the cheap. And even Lincoln Heritage, if you're with the right agency, you can get subsidized leads from them. And three, that way, if you realize that, hey, this business is not for me, at least you're not thousands and thousands of dollars out of pocket and can easily switch gears to go do something else. Hopefully this video was helpful, and if you'd like the general telesales script that I mentioned earlier, along with the objections cheat sheet that I also mentioned, you know, back at the beginning of the video, just email me at doug@ufesonline.com. For more information on working with us and using our calendar appointments platform, just shoot me an email at that same address. As always, guys, when you put the needs of your clients first, everything else will usually fall right into place. Now, do your thing and do something good for someone today. Happy hunting.